Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to this amazing channel, my name is Atinike. So in this tutorial I'm going to give you guys 3-in-1 hair tutorial. This hairstyle came out so mwah. If you want to look natural, is in this video. If you want to go for a bridal look, is in this video. If you want to go for a photo shoot look, is in this amazing video. Please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to this amazing channel so that you can be notified anytime your babe upload a new video. So you can see what I'm doing. I want to section my hair. I want to section it into two. If you want to achieve a perfect line, just make use of shine and jam to achieve your perfect line. So can you please keep on watching this amazing video. So I'm going to be making use of Eco Styling Gel to lay my hair down. Eco Styling Gel and got to be glue air spray. It's not a glue, it's like a gel. So it's an air spray. It's going to hold it perfectly and it won't give you all these white effects. No, you're going to see the outcome of this hair. Just keep on watching, guys. So you know your girl, I love to make use of Brazilian wool. Yes, I rock with Brazilian wool anytime, any day. So this is one pack of Brazilian wool. Yes, I cut it into the perfect length I want. Then stretch out the tip. Allow some to be longer than some so that it's going to give you that pencil effect towards the tip. Then I'm going to use a band to hold it down because we are going to put this on our hair, so that band is going to secure it because I'm going to be braiding this on my hair. So I won't pre-braid this. No, I'm going to braid it on my hair. Then I'll section it into 3. Then I'll start braiding. Then I'll try all my possible best to hide my hair so that it won't show. Final look for the first hair. You can easily rock it like this. Final look. Can you see this hair is not really dry, so that is why you can see some things round towards that top. Is not really dry, but you can't see no white effects. The second hairstyle, yes, just wrap it round. So this is the third bridal hairstyle. Yes, you can see the way I wrap it. Then I'm going to use all this bridal pin to hold it down. Then I'm going to wrap the remaining one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section the hairstyle you love most in these three hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate each and every one of you. See you in my next video. As I do say, stay blessed. Always bye. Mwah.